All right, guys. So I got this. This is on sale. This is Rio Mare. It's Cous light tuna salad. So this one's on sale, but I've never tried this brand, and as you can see, no preservative. So I'm going to do a quick taste test today. There you go. Check that out. That's the nutrient panel. Here are the ingredients. This side. So, alright, let's open this up. Alright, so there it is opened up. Now, annoyingly, this one actually doesn't come with a spoon or a fork, so you actually have to get your own. But let's do a quick taste test here. So I've tried the cloverleaf one before. This one actually tastes pretty good. It's actually well seasoned. It's not really bland at all. It's got some salt in it. There's not a whole bunch of vinaigrette or anything like that, but it does have that nice seasoning of like salt and yeah, it's actually pretty good. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.